From this information it is said that this expert advisor can provide daily profits of 1.5% to 3%. And monthly profit up to 45%. Hello trader. Previously I have shared my expert advisor collection called okey. If you are interested you can download it for free. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and get another free expert advisor every time I upload a video. This expert advisor is said to be able to generate profits of up to 3% in a day and 45% in a month. Is that true? I have been running the expert advisor Forex Genius bot from November 6, 2022 until the time this video was made on November 12, 2022. This means that it has been going on for 1 week. I will show you trading results using Genius bot EA. Okay, here I start trading with a capital of $1,000. With pairs that run only Euro to US dollar. Trades open from 0.01 lots. You can see here every transaction. The total balance on November 10, 2022 will be $1,140.26 from a capital of $1,000. The profit earned during this 1 week is $140.26. The highest profit was $15.59 and the highest loss was -$22.71. These are the details of the trades that have taken place this week. Total net profit of $140.26. Profit factor 2.16. Maximum drawdown of 4.45% or $53.36. A maximum of 15 consecutive wins. Maximum consecutive loss of 6 transactions. Total profit of 164 transactions. Profit transactions 119 transactions. Transaction loss 45 transactions. And this is the result of a week. I will see the results again, up to a month or more. Yes, this video is a reference for you. Before starting trading using Genius bot EA, I recommend that you learn first using a demo account for at least 1 month. And if you are sure, you can switch to using real money. This is a step to avoid losses. What do you think about this Genius bot EA Forex expert advisor? Have you tried it? Give your opinion in the comments column to discuss. Thanks for watching this video.